The fuel saving tip is brought to you by QMS Enterprise Total Harborview Shopping Center.
Welcome back to Pree Dis, of course, a vibe with Casmar. We're still here on the University of the West Indies Mona campus, Kingston, Jamaica. And of course, it's that time for us to get into our fuel saving tip of the week. Now remember, always keep your tires inflated and aligned. Uninflated tires cause fuel consumption by up to 6%. Check tire pressure at least once per week. Pree Dis.
The fuel saving tip was brought to you by QMS Enterprise Total Harborview Shopping Center.
Hey yo, Pree Dis, who has the #1 song in the country and who is moving up the charts? All this we're going to find out right now inside the Ocean Spray Top 10 Singles chart. You want to know the artist song? Alright, just right there. Pree Dis.
Take away your girl, cause the the man from the RR bike. Me a deal with the girl at the sting in the land. Them off give me a medal. Two brown girl see me on a plan. Say them off fling it on the down. We chop it like a bad bitch, just spin it like a fun. Love it when the girl them off the gripping and the glam. RR like the rhymes, so me singing and me stop. Bike ya big, you got the body girl. See the bike ya, you got the body girl. Benz character, me know say you got the girl. You have the big bike, fast chopping matchy girl. Me love it like that when you dip on the bike up. Me love it like that when I make dirt take over my bed. So me wash, cook and clean for myself. No girl can't step over my head. Me house of it clean and me sheet of it clean. Cause me now make dirt take over my bed. I mostly so what's up where she blend up. Can't vex kind. Talk your mind, come me here what I do. Hey zombie, nobody me nah vampire. Them afraid of dopey but me a dopey conqueror. Narrow drive out the tank, come me here what I drop. Hey Tony Mataran, tell me what one.
One by one, I'm feeling your heartbeat pulling me closer. One by one, with every touch I'm feeling it stronger. One by one, believe with me.
I just my good old wife. I just my good old wife. She alone me coming home to every night. I just my good old wife. I just my good old wife. Me now go me like do road and them set dash overboard. Do road and cut like a samurai sword. Do road and come back with the bag load. Do road like a me set the code. Do road and them set dash overboard. Do road and cut like a samurai sword. Do road and come back with cash for gold. Any piece of gold, me have my any piece of gold ready. Phone card. Banana chips, let me say cash for gold. Flat, girl them fat, go on. Bad when you tune them drop. One just chop and bust her head back. When treat vibes bust up in her head top. Oh God, party mad. Girl them a say Gaza party bad. Girl dash sweet like a butter bag. Zamunda gone with.
And that's how we close the show this week. Thank you guys so much for sticking with us right here on Pree Dis. And of course, we leave. I had enough to drink, I had enough to eat, and I'll be definitely coming back here at the Spot Sports Bar and Grill. My name is Casmar. Remember to check us out on Facebook and Twitter. And if you want to catch up on past episodes, there's always YouTube. Now, until next time, go on Pree Dis.